everybody, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as promised, I'll be dropping two videos. So you'll be watching this video on Saturday. I am shooting this Friday. So this video is going to be with my sister. तो इस वीडियो में हम लोग ये करने वाले हैं that she has some questions for me and I have some questions for her. और हम लोग उन questions के answers को इस copy पे लिखेंगे and we'll be seeing, मतलब हम लोग ये देखेंगे कि वो मुझे कितना जानती है और मैं उससे कितना जानती हूँ. I'll be asking questions मेरे related and she'll be asking questions उसके related. उसने already answer अपना लिखा हुआ है but she'll again write so that हम लोग video में दिखा सके कि हम लोग answers को basically tally कर सके. And the person जिसका answer सही होगा वो ये मोमोज खा सकता है और जिसका आंसर सही नहीं हुआ that person gets to eat nothing. तो let's start. मैं पहले क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी और she'll be answering, मतलब हम दोनों लिखेंगे and then we'll see कि whether she knows that about me or not. तो पहला one I have kept बहुत आसान. It is what is my favorite color. तो पहला क्वेश्चन था what is my favorite color. तो she'll be saying the answer और मैं फिर दिखाऊंगी कि वही आंसर है या नहीं. तो what is my favorite color? Lilac. Yeah, everybody knows it's lilac only. Lilac is purple. जो light वाला purple होता है उसको lilac बोलते हैं. That's my favorite color. So next question now must be, oh no. You gotta have momos.
Okay.
Because you answered it correctly, so you can have momos. दिखाओ वीडियो में दिखाओ. वीडियो के लिए लेके आए हम ये. मेरी नजर लग गई.
आगे स्वाद.
मतलब मैं वेट कर रही हूँ आंसर पूछे और शी इज सिपिंग ऑन द मोइतो. What's my favorite dish? What is your favorite dish? First write now so that they can see that we are not cheating. And we haven't seen these questions and answers. मतलब तुम लोग आप पे ट्रस्ट ही कर सकते हो तो क्या ही कर सकते हो. तो I'm not cheating. She didn't write it yet. But I know क्या है इसका favorite dish. I mean इतना तो siblings को पता ही होना चाहिए. So can I say?
Yeah.
It is टमाटर और पनीर.
Yeah.
She wrote tomato and paneer. So yes, टमाटर और पनीर पसंद है इसको बहुत ज़्यादा. She can have it every day, पूरे हफ्ते. बस थोड़ा चिकन भी होना चाहिए. अरे मैं तो क्वेश्चन पे चली गई थी. मोमो खाना भूल गई थी मैं तो.
I'll have this chutney. वो वाली ज़्यादा देखिए. This is so nice.
Okay. Here's another question. What am I scared of the most? Okay, I'm gonna write it and then you're gonna say it. Okay. ये देखिए मैं यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ. What am I scared of the most? मुझे पता है बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जिससे मैं डरती हूँ but it's like the most.
प्लेन में चढ़ने से.
Yeah, I mean, हाँ मतलब वही लिखा है मैंने. I've written travel by air. Yeah, I am super scared of traveling by air. I mean, I do travel by air, but पूछो मत मेरा उस टाइम पे क्या हाल होता है और मेरे साइड पे जो बैठा होता है उसका हाल क्या होता है. That person, उसको सीधा समझ में आ जाता है कि. और मुझे जब भी मैं बाय ट्रैवल करती हूँ मेरे साइड पे जब भी कोई बैठा होता है तो they have all the time just one question to ask. आप पहली बार प्लेन में बैठे हो? And no, but I still am scared. So you can have your momo. This one is yours. Yeah. Don't take that chutney. और ये वाली है ना, ये वाली बहुत तीखी है. वो वाली सही है. Okay, next question.
What's my weirdest habit?
Your weirdest habit?
Yeah.
तुम तो पूरी weird हो. I can't gather this. This is a hard question. You have a lot of weird habits. How can I figure out which one is like the weirdest? Weirdest habit, आदत. Irritate हो जाना. छोटी बातों पे irritate हो जाना.
वो तो है ही, but उससे भी ज़्यादा.
उससे भी ज़्यादा. Weirdest habit.
Eternity later.
Now, since I don't know, I'll lose one momo. Show. Tell us.
To leave the lid of the paste open.
To leave the lid of the paste. Oh shit. How could I not get this? Shit. She has this such a bad habit whenever she enters washroom से बाहर आके जो पेस्ट का ढक्कन है वो वहाँ पे पड़ा होता है और उसका ढक्कन हमेशा, you know how many times, like बचपन से I think I've told her this thing and she has this habit. Oh my god, how could I get this wrong? मेरा एक मोमो प्लीज संभाल के रखना. So I couldn't have a momo. So now I have to ask you, which are my two of the most favorite Bollywood movies? Bollywood. Two of the most favorite.
You have to write now.
Yeah, I have to write, but you would think ना, because two of the most favorite.
Two.
मेरी कौन सी
One I know.
मेरी कौन सी दो बॉलीवुड मूवीज है जो बहुत ही ज्यादा मुझे पसंद है?
एक तो मुझे पता है.
या वन तो एवरीबडी नोज. मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे सबको ही पता होगी.
पूछ लो उन्हीं से.
You are in the video. ज़्यादा बनो मत. Wait, let me write.
दूसरी तो 2-3 हो सकती है. But
No, the two of the most favorite जो मैं बहुत दफा देखती हूँ.
one is Veer Zara.
Bang on, yeah.
And other is
I hope you don't get it and you don't get the momo. Another is?
Anjana Anjani.
Yes, how did you get it? It's Veer Zara and Anjana Anjani. I thought you would say Mohabbatein. But मैं बहुत देखती हूँ अनजाना
वो तो पहले
अनजानी.
ही आया था but
Veer Zara और अनजाना अनजानी. I love these movies and I've watched these 100 times already. और मैं Veer Zara तो मैं हर moment such a. Okay, next question.
it's the easiest one. But okay. Winter or summer?
Oh, what do you prefer?
Yeah.
It's easy, summer.
Yeah.
Summer ये?
Yeah.
ये तो
I
मतलब
hate winters.
you don't even need to try it.
The easy सवाल रख दिया मैंने.
ताकि मैं मोमो खाऊं. मैंने गलत वाली चटनी उठाई. मैंने गलत वाली चटनी उठा ली थी. अभी तक मुंह जल रहा है मेरा. Okay, now I have to ask, right? Okay. This one, I think most of the people who know me personally would know the answer. What is the biggest turn off for me towards any person? मतलब जब भी किसी
मोमो फ्री में दे रही हो तो मुझे.
हाँ. Wait, let me write first. मतलब क्या ऐसा चीज़ है जो मुझे किसी भी इंसान में वो एक टर्न ऑफ पॉइंट लगता है?
The way of talking.
Yeah, I wrote this. Bad way of talking. Yeah. I just cannot tolerate somebody speaking badly or मतलब बदतमीजी से या फिर for that matter मतलब मेरे लिए बात करने का तरीका बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करता है. बहुत ज़्यादा.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, next one. I hope I get to have the momo.
Okay. Is there something I can't live without?
मतलब other than mom and dad?
Yeah, obviously.
Parents को छोड़ के, what is that one thing that you cannot live without? It's obvious. It's Murphy. Murphy's Masiha's cat. Basically, she has 5 cats, mashallah, but Murphy हमारी पहली cat थी. बाकी उसके
है?
बच्चे. हाँ मतलब है. You know, now you can see how possessive she is. So Murphy is someone she cannot live without.
Yeah.
And she's already written Murphy. Murphy. पता ही है यार. Thanks for the momo. Who is that one person who matches my sense of humor always? पहले मैं बता दूं आप लोगों को कि मेरा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर मतलब जो लोग मुझे नहीं जानते हैं
You have to write if I am right.
या आई हैव टू राइट जो लोग मुझे नहीं जानते हैं
But I
उनको
know
पता
the
नहीं है कि
answer.
मेरा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर बहुत ही क्रेजी है एंड देयर इज जस्ट दिस वन पर्सन who matches my sense of humor. Okay, say it.
She's my closest friend,
Yeah.
and that is Urva.
That is Urvat. Yeah, she is somebody who just matches. Matlab, I don't even have to say it and she just gets it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Urva. If I could go back in time, what is that one thing I would like to bring back?
If you would go back in time,
Yeah.
what is that one thing that you will bring back?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's I think AG. AG is our grandmother who has passed away.
Yeah.
Is that only?
Yeah. That's the only thing.
Yeah, she wrote AG Dadi. Yeah. AG we used to call her Dadi, and she passed away a couple of years back. And I don't want to get deep in. Now I'll be asking you this question.
Yeah.
What
Oh,
is
I mean,
what is this? What is the biggest turn on for me in a person other than the way that person talks? उसके अलावा, so what is the biggest turn on? Let me write. किसी भी इंसान में what is the biggest turn on other than the fact that that person talks nicely?
I think who are kind to animals.
Yeah, I just wrote this. Oh my god, we matched the words also. Yeah, I wrote kind towards animals. So yeah, whenever I see anybody who's kind to animals, I just automatically like that person.
Who among us, all of my friends, is my closest one?
Amongst all of your friends?
Yeah.
Amongst all of your friends, who's the closest one, right?
Yeah.
मतलब मेरे को आंसर पता है, but I'm confused between 2 people.
Okay.
So I am confused between Saurim and Urvat, but I think you will write Urvat.
Okay. Yeah, that's correct.
Oh yeah, Urvat. Yeah. So she has a lot of friends, but सबसे close मुझे लगता है personally कि Urvat ही है. तो
वही है.
सुना Saurim?
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय
So now it's the last question. Like for me, it's the last question. उसके बाद मसीहा का ये आखिरी है. What is my most irritating habit? जो मुझे खुद भी पता है. Wait.
वो तो ये रोज ही कर रही होती है, मुझ पे ही ज्यादा करती है.
अच्छा, you know it then. नहीं मतलब specify करना है, मतलब क्या है? Don't you? She's such a cheater.
No, I'm not.
So tell me then, what is that one thing?
मतलब चिल्लाना.
हाँ मतलब चिल्लाना. ये कौन बोलते हैं YouTube पे चिल्लाना?
अच्छा ठीक है.
तमीज से. बोलो, चिल्लाना नहीं होता है ना कुछ.
मतलब anger issues.
हाँ मतलब एंगर इशू नहीं है मेरे में, मतलब
एंगर इशू है, वो है, उसको
नहीं
कम
है,
करना है.
नहीं है. I have worked on it over the years, but it's to get angry over stupid things. Okay, now we have the last question.
When do I feel the most confident?
When do you feel the most confident?
Yeah.
When do you feel the most confident? I think you feel the most confident जब तुम्हारा हिजाब बिल्कुल सही होता है, perfect. Makes,
Yeah, that really matters, but
मतलब अगर से
you're
हिजाब
wrong.
खराब हो ना, अच्छा I'm wrong.
Yeah,
फिर मैं
you
क्यों?
can't have momo. That's around my friends.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh. तो हम तुम्हारे को अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट फील कराते हैं.
तो तुम भी तो होती हो.
अच्छा मैं भी फ्रेंड्स में आती हूँ.
Yeah.
Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. हमें भी बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया खाने में. And let me know if you would like to watch these videos मसीहा के साथ more often. So that is it for this video. Do not finish it. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. इससे पहले ख़त्म कर दे and see you all in the next. Okay, bye.